Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I'm checking out this HD NVR kit that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a kit with 4 cameras. You get some stickers so we can set it up on our perimeter where we are installing it, and the position stickers for the wall mounting. Okay, it has 4 cameras. It has a display so we can see through the cameras, which I think that it's really nice. Let's take them out of the box. It comes different packages. I'm gonna take everything out first. Okay, so in these boxes we got the proper cameras with all the things that we're gonna need with them. These are for the installation, the power cord, okay, the main cameras. That's it. As you can see, they are quite small. You have the connections right here, and well, the mounting plate uses just 2 holes, which I think that it's really nice. Under it, we have a space so we can reset the cameras and where we can place a memory card, which I think that's great. And we have the antennas at the sides, which I think that it's great. Okay, as you can see, we can turn on some LEDs. Okay, but that's gonna be shown in a minute. We also get the hardware that we're gonna need to install the cameras. We get all the cables that we're gonna need for the screen. Okay, as you can see, we got a mouse, a HDMI cable, also the power adapter, and a Ethernet cable. Lastly, we have in here the screen. As you can see, it's really nice. It has a nice size, and as I've said, you can just mount it up on a wall and checking out everything from the cameras, which I think that it's great. We also get the user manual, okay, all the important information about it. Okay, we have the guide right here with all the steps on how to use it, configure them, set them ready. Okay, so well, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a read thoroughly and well, get everything ready, install the cameras where I'm leaving it. I'll be installing 2 in here and some at the back of the office. So well, let's go. This wireless camera system is a powerful all-in-one solution for your home, as it includes the outdoor cameras and the 10-inch monitor. You can have everything that you need for a easy installation. You just simply need to mount the cameras, power them on, and connect the monitor. The system will be ready to start recording immediately. And with the monitor, you can view all the 4 cameras at once. You can review the playback and manage all the settings with ease. And when you're away, you can simply open the Easy Cloud app on your smartphone to check the live feeds, receive motion alerts, and even control the cameras remotely. The system also is equipped with a smart motion detection and automatic tracking, so when human movement is detected, the camera instantly locks and follows the subject across the detection area. With a 121-degree field of view and paid AC function, you'll capture wide areas and never miss any detail. During the day, the image sensors delivers HD video, and at night you can choose between color night vision or just infrared mode, allowing you to see up to 65 feet in complete darkness. Whether it's day or night, you'll always know what's happening around your home, office, or wherever you want to install. You can sync control with a 2-way audio, letting you speak directly to visitors or warn off intruders through your phone. The system also features light and sound alarms that activate when motion is detected, adding a little extra layer of security. The included 1TB hard drive allows you to continuous 24/7 record for over 30 days, and the playback is simple to navigate on both the monitor and the mobile app. The cameras are designed with an IP66 waterproof rated. They can work reliable on rain, snow, or any kind of extreme weather, giving you a little peace of mind all year round. Okay, and as you can see, they are already installed. I think that they are really nice. You can see that it was a difficult installation, and connected them was a great. Overall, I think it's a nice option to have at your office, your house, or wherever you will need them. I think that they are really nice. You can have up to 10 cameras in total, which I think that it's perfect, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.